中国 one of the safest countries in the world。
这个光头他又来中国了。原本他打算途径中国去朝鲜，但此时的朝鲜边境却并没有开放，他只能去到离朝鲜最近的丹东，近距离去探寻一下这个神秘的国家。首先到中国的第一站，他就来到了北京，为此他还学习了一些中国话，希望能和更多的中国人交流。尽管这不是他第一次来中国，但是他到了北京南站，还是忍不住感慨起了中国的基础建设。
OK， 谢谢。Wow, it is like checking in for an aeroplane whenever you come to a railway station in China. And up here, these Chinese characters, which I haven't studied. 你好朋友，我想我喜欢这个，我不知道在哪里这个。谢谢。这个什么谢谢？1084，哎，我看汽车厢。汽车厢啊，不像是。好的，这个，好的，谢谢朋友，谢谢。
登车前他还买了一瓶中国红牛。
红牛，有。这个不是，
这个也是什么？也是提神的，跟红牛一样，东鹏特饮。
哦，我不知道，我普通话不知道。
你的普通话很棒，
好的，哦，谢谢你。
一上车他就迫不及待地喝了起来，还顺便在镜头前展示起了他的中山装和胸前的国徽。
Oh, it smells just like Red Bull. Maybe it's stronger. Let's see. It's like flat Red Bull. I like it, wherever it is. By the way, let me show you my jacket that I'm wearing on this trip. If I'm going to be accused of shilling for the country, I might as well dress like a real Chinaman. A cadre. Oh, I like this drink, it's lovely.
他来到了车厢和他的同伴会合，期间还和一位中国大妈热络地聊了起来。
Hi, man. What are you doing in China? Nice to meet you. You alright? Hello, man.
Oh my god, it's that bald YouTuber.
Nice to meet you. 这个在哪里？东？济南东。Oh. The babushka just told me we're getting to Jinandong.
What lights? Sila, gris.
一下车，他再次忍不住在镜头前展示起了中国的高铁。虽然他说的都是实话，但免不了还是会让那些一贯有着优越感的外国网友破防。
Look at this massive, giant railway station in the middle of China. Look at it. Just think how many billions and billions of renminbi, yuan, their money here, was used to build the infrastructure here in Jinandong railway station. Jinandong. Wow, it's so incredible seeing China at this point of its development. It's, in some respects, so far ahead of Europe, but then in other respects, when you pass through the villages and the fields, the little houses, somewhat behind Europe. But here we go.
镜头一转，他们又来到了烟台。他们打算从烟台坐船到大连，顺便欣赏下渤海海峡。在搭乘去港口的公交车上，他又被中国公交车的票价给震惊到了。
我的朋友，渡船，大连，渡船。
坐船呐？
坐船。
大连，渡船。
到那个烟台港。
对。渡船。大连，渡船。
去大连。
大连。
对呀。
对，好的。We've paid 1 yuan, which is like what's that, 10 pence to get to the ferry port. China is a first world country with third world prices. Let's hope he understood what I want to do.
他们想了解普通中国人都吃什么，于是在乘船前中途下了车，准备去吃一顿中餐。由于光头的同伴携带了一个大号行李箱，拖着不方便，他们做出了一个大胆的决定。
I'll throw it away.
No, I'll just set it down somewhere.
China's that safe?
Yeah, absolutely.
Need to be floated in the airport.
Absolutely, yeah.
So we want to walk back up the hill where there's some little restaurants. And Connor's saying, he's got a big suitcase, he's just going to chuck it in a bush and leave it here and it'll be okay. Really?
Yeah. Dude, Asia is completely safe. Yeah.
Go on then, prove it.
Well, I gotta find a good spot first. I can't just
Prove
do it
it.
anywhere.
Right. We're going to see how safe China is. Is it safer than Dubai? He's going to literally chuck all his belongings in a bush and leave it for an hour to go for dinner. Go on then. He's literally leaving his suitcase in a bush. We're going to go and look for a restaurant, find some content, and then we're going to come back in an hour or two. Hopefully, his suitcase is still here. Oh.
There you go.
That's it.
Just put some...
Cover it up.
Yeah. Fine.
他们来到一家路边的小餐厅。
哦，我们想吃饭。好的，可以。好哦，很少。哦，好。哦，谢谢。Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Welcome to China. There we go.
¿Tú dices salud in Chinese?
Gambe.
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 Gambe. Cheers. Oh, cheers. Oh, she speaks English. 好吃，好吃，非常好吃。谢谢。多少钱，我的朋友？多少钱？多少钱？多少钱？多少钱？
Bad decisions make
多少钱？多少钱？怪。这个多少钱？怪多少钱？啊，多少钱？多少钱 ？OK。好的。
We're not saying it right.
God knows. How they don't understand because my accent's not 100% Chinese. I'm saying 多少钱. What else could I be saying?
吃完饭，他们来到之前藏行李箱的地方。
Oh,
Communism
look at
prevails.
that! Oh, the suitcase. Wow, my God.
Disguise helped.
As safe as Dubai. He left it there for about 4.5 hours and it's still here in the bush.
And they saw us doing it.
Congratulations.
Yeah, let's go.
There you go, you see. He left his bag in a flipping bush. Just left it in the bush. 4.5 hours later, still there. Zhonghua, one of the safest countries in the world.
之后，他们就来到了港口。他们乘坐的是渤海马珠号豪华客滚船。当他们看到船上的豪华客房时，当场就震惊了。
Oh, look at this place. Wow, look at this. Oh my God. This is like being on a Cunard flipping around the world trip. Let's see what ours is like.
先生，您录这阵儿啊？
这个？
啊，对。
啊，这个？
啊，对。
那个我的。哦，好的，谢谢。啊，好的。
看一眼那个床号就可以，看一眼床号。
好的，谢谢你，谢谢朋友。Oh, look at it. We're not in the good one. We've obviously bought the cheapest ticket because the other cabin had like a window and chairs and desks, but we're in here. Got a TV, got a lovely picture of Italy, randomly, and our beds. Right, I'm claiming this one.
出了船舱，他们来到了游客大厅，还和中国游客比拼起了白酒。
What's it called? BJ? Baijiao. The boys. Oi, 这个非常。
Come on, 朋友。
好的。
中文牛逼。
中国牛逼。
喝完酒来到甲板，他又开始夸奖起烟台的景色。
We say goodbye to beautiful Yantai, a city of 7 million people that I'd never even heard of before. But there it is, beautiful Yantai. Nothing but new buildings, and apartment buildings, and hotels, and construction works, like all of China. The constructions that are taking place in this country that you see as you travel around is incredible. And yeah, we're off to the city of Dalian, 7 hours across this piece of water. Bye bye, Yantai. 再见。
经过7个小时的航程，他们来到大连，选择乘坐一辆公交车去市区。在车上，光头又秀起了他的中文。
你们中国吗？
中国。
China。我爱中国。
正宗的 China。
中国很大。
对。
但是很漂亮。对。好的。
Hello。
Hello, my friend。我不想，谢谢。英国人。啊，这个我不想这个不是。
不想睡的。
不是，谢谢。晚上沈阳。好的，谢谢。And there you go, more friendly Chinese people. Even the touts are friendly in China. Who's not friendly in China? Show me an unfriendly China. Timmy's the only unfriendly guy in China. Everyone else is friendly, right?
第二天清晨，光头在酒店迫不及待地就展示起了入住的房间。豪华的装修风格与极具吸引力的价格，会不会让一众外国网友再次集体破防？
Let me give you a little tour of it. There's a nice little chair here, nice queen-size bed, super comfy. Over here you've got a tea-making area. I thought this was actually a box of tea, but it says on the side, intimate cleansing for men. So, I don't know what goes on in these rooms in China, but still. Here you got a TV, and here you've got a lovely bathroom. Look, you've got a nice little bath beyond this window. Let's go inside. Nice sink area, nice shower. The question is, how much do you think I paid for it? 100 quid, 200 quid? What would it cost in your country? Well, I'll tell you, for all this, I paid 32 euros. And that's not because it's on a special discount or anything like that. That's just how much hotels cost in China. So China is the travel bargain of the world right now, I think. All right, let's get out.
终于，他来到了这个视频开头的目的地丹东。
They said that we can't visit North Korea because they recently closed the border, unfortunately. However, that doesn't mean that we can't at least take a look at North Korea in some small way. And for that reason, I've come to the city of Dandong. Let's go down to the river and have a look about. Mao Zedong in Dandong.
后来他们加入到了一个旅行团，跟随旅行团一起亲身感受了一番朝鲜这个国家的氛围。
Wow, it's the old bridge across North Korea. Wow, it says blah 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 blah. Oh, and a dog just peed on it. North Korean cigarettes? 这个中国的？不是 North Korean? 好的，一个朋友。We got some North Korean fags. I might raffle them off. Who wants to stick a North Korean fag in their gob? If you do, reach out. And here, beyond the border fence, is the old bridge to North Korea. Check it out. And over there, those houses, empty apartment buildings, that's North Korea. Mythical, mystical, mysterious North Korea.
不管是它费橡皮文具这些全都不花钱。
Well, it's so interesting being on this North Korean safari. People with binoculars looking at it. See, it's some kind of zoo over there. When in fact, you're just a country with people that have the same wants and hopes and desires and fears as probably we do in the West. Maybe they're just as miserable as many of us are, or just as happy or happier. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll go there and speak to some North Koreans and find out for ourselves. At the moment, just looking at them up on those rocks there, the little houses that we're passing, is as good as we're going to get. Look, and over there, some North Koreans just farming in a little field. See them?
终于离开丹东回到北京，光头的这次中国之旅就结束了，期待他的再次回归。
Until next time, 再见 from 中国。